Does this ever happen to you? You've got a paint handle or a paint frame and you've left the roller on there. You know, whether it's a day, an hour, for some reasons they just get really stuck on there. Between painting jobs, if I know I'm going to use this roller again in a couple hours or the next day, I'll put plastic wrap over it. But sometimes these guys are a little cantankerous and they just don't want to come off the frame. And it's really hard to pull them like this. I've put screwdrivers in there and pulled out. None of them are either efficient or clean, but I just came up with something I've never seen before, so I'm going to share it with you now. This is a 1-inch PEX pipe. You could also use 3/4 inch PVC. It's 10 inches long. You can use 12 inches, a foot, whatever it is. I've clamped it tight in a vise, and the key is that the end of this is smaller than the end right here. So I'm going to try this out and see if it works. You can come in here, just lay that down, you grab hold of this. I've got a fairly nice clean shirt on here, so I hope it does work. So here we go. Great! I wish I would have figured this out years ago. Amazing. Okay, so you got a little bit of dry paint going around and you can clean this up, but boy, that is the easiest way to take a roller off a frame. So what'd you think? Did it work for you? Thumbs up are always appreciated. And if it did, please post in the comments below. If you're interested in home repairs and quick fixes, you might want to check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what quick fixes you're gonna see.